Grandpa, oh, where are you? Grandpa is showing. See it. We are going there. It's a gradual process. Grandpa wants to be a stylist. That is like a protected. Grandpa wants to be a stylist, yo. Hey. Adetola ó sùn gan. Ó flexi. What's up, Papa? We'll do that same, baby girl. This is already guy. Do not do it like this now. There with that. Will not see it again. The bus way. Sorry. Way barrage, baby. Please, what says the time there? You said? So 4. 4:04. Which one is 4:02?
It's already 4.
Okay. The time has long, but I was thinking 5, 7. So as you said time, now Baba wants to use one eye to check before.
I'm looking yes.
Who is that guy making a noise? Who is this guy? Disturbing the house. Is it the wee baby? It's disturbing the house like this. Are you a noise maker? Time to check if this thing is even working again. Just 5 minutes, sorry. I need it. Alpha. Okay, thank you,
But
sir.
your own is not sure.
There's no problem. You are good to go. You are very good to go. No problem. It's God in everything. It's so great. If not for you, Jesus, where would I have been today? Olúwa tóbi, tóbi o, tóbi. Olúwa tóbi, tóbi o, ẹ tóbi o. Sẹ́ni tá ló fi ṣàkàwé rere o, ẹ tóbi. Sẹ́ni tá lè fi ṣàkàwé rere o, ẹ tóbi. Olúwa. Jesus, you are worthy of the decay. Sorry, brother. This Suku. You guys sing this Suku. Give it a step like this. Give it a pause. Make the line straight. It's very, very easy. Make it so straight. Do it very, very well. Get it right. It is not difficult at all. Look at it, look at it. Look at it. Oh my goodness. Beautiful. This is so wonderful. Have you seen it over? So beautiful. Have you seen it, baby?
Ah.